Why are car dealers avoiding used electric vehicles? Here are the shocking reasons. Did you know that despite the rising popularity of electric vehicles, car dealerships are now avoiding used electric cars like the plague? The reasons behind this trend are not only surprising, but also have far-reaching implications for the future of the auto industry. In the next 8 minutes, we'll dive deep into the shocking reasons behind this phenomenon and what it means for you as a car buyer or enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a hot topics in the automotive world: why car dealers are increasingly avoiding used electric vehicles. With electric cars becoming more common on the roads, you'd think used EVs would be in high demand. However, that's not the case. Stick around as we uncover the surprising reasons behind this trend, shedding light on the hidden challenges and potential pitfalls of the used EV market. To understand the current market for used electric vehicles, let's first look at a bigger picture. While new EV sales are booming, the market for used ones is struggling. Dealers are finding it harder to sell pre-owned electric cars, and this issue is more complex than it seems. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for both car buyers and sellers. So what exactly is going on with the used EV market? One major factor contributing to the struggle is the rapid depreciation of electric vehicles. Unlike traditional gasoline cars, EVs tend to lose their value much faster. This is largely due to the fast-paced advancements in EV technology. New models with better range, efficiency, and features are constantly being introduced, making older models seem outdated and less desirable. For dealers, this means that used EVs often don't hold their value well, making them a less attractive option for resale. We spoke to several car dealers to get their take on this situation. Many of them revealed that they're hesitant to stock used EVs. One dealer mentioned, the depreciation rate on electric vehicles is alarming. Within just a few years, their value drops significantly, making them a tough sell. Another dealer pointed out, customers are wary of battery life and replacement costs, which can be quite high. These insights shed light on the apprehension surrounding used electric cars. Furthermore, dealers also express concerns about the residual value of electric vehicles. The rapid pace of technological advancements means that newer models quickly outshine older ones, making it difficult for older EVs to retain their value. This rapid obsolescence is a stark contrast to internal combustion engine vehicles, which have a more stable depreciation curve. As a result, dealers find it challenging to justify the prices of used EVs when new ones offer so much more. Let's delve deeper into the struggles dealers face. One major issue is the supply chain. The availability of replacement parts, especially batteries, is a significant concern. Batteries degrade over time, and replacing them can be expensive, often costing thousands of dollars. This high cost deters potential buyers and makes it risky for dealers to stock these vehicles. Consumers also have misconceptions about the longevity and reliability of used EVs, further complicating the sales process. Many buyers are unsure about the lifespan of an EV battery and fear that a used EV might require a costly battery replacement soon after purchase. Additionally, technological limitations such as outdated software or charging systems make these cars less appealing to potential buyers. Some older models may not be compatible with the latest charging infrastructure, adding another layer of complexity. There's also the issue of torn market perception. Many consumers still have doubts about electric vehicles in general, let alone used ones. Concerns about charging infrastructure, range anxiety, and overall reliability persist. These factors contribute to a slower turnover rate for used EVs compared to their gasoline counterparts. Here's the most shocking revelation. A recent study found that used electric vehicles are sitting on dealership lots nearly twice as long as their gasoline counterparts. Dealers report that used EVs are often the last to sell, and sometimes they don't sell at all. This statistic underscores why dealers are steering clear of them. The combination of high depreciation, consumer skepticism, and technological concerns creates a perfect storm, making used EVs a risky investment for dealerships. One dealer shared a particularly striking example. We had a nearly new electric car that sat on the lot for over 6 months. Despite dropping the price multiple times, it just wouldn't sell. The few interested buyers we had were scared off by the potential battery replacement cost. This real-world example highlights the significant challenges that come with selling used EVs. Another factor to consider is the rapid evolution of electric vehicle technology. Newer models often come with significant improvements in battery life, range, and features, making older models seem less attractive. This rapid technological advancement leads to quicker depreciation of older EVs, as potential buyers opt for the latest models instead. For dealers, this means that used EVs are not only harder to sell, but also require more significant price reductions to move off the lot. In summary, car dealers are avoiding used electric vehicles due to a mix of the financial, logistical wants, and consumer perception issues. The high depreciation rate, concerns over battery life, and technological obsolescence all contribute to this trend. This has significant implications for the future of the electric vehicle market. As technology improves and consumer awareness increases, we may see a shift, but for now, the hesitation among dealers is a reality that cannot be ignored. It's important for potential buyers to do thorough research and consider these factors before purchasing a used EV. Likewise, for dealers, understanding and addressing these challenges is key to navigating the evolving automotive landscape. While the future of electric vehicles looks promising, the current challenges in the used EV market present a cautionary tale for both buyers and sellers. One potential solution for this issue could be the development of certified pre-owned (CPO) programs specifically for electric vehicles. These programs could include extended warranties for batteries and other critical components, alleviating some of the concerns buyers have about the long-term reliability and costs associated with used EVs. By providing additional assurances and support, dealers could make used EVs a more attractive option for consumers. In the meantime, both consumers and dealers need to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the electric vehicle industry. By understanding the unique challenges and opportunities associated with used EVs, they can make more informed decisions and better navigate the evolving automotive landscape. Ultimately, the success of the used EV market will depend on a combination of technological advancements, consumer education, and industry support. As these factors come together, we may see a shift in the way used electric vehicles are perceived and sold, paving the way for a more sustainable and accessible future for electric transportation. What are your thoughts on used electric vehicles? Have you considered buying one, or are you deterred by these challenges? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video insightful, make sure to check out our other videos on electric vehicles and car market trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and in-depth analyses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.